Hello guys, today we are learn about what Boli. What is Boli? Boli is nothing but this is to text format should be converted into speaking file. Look like if you type the text file, it should be converted into audio format. Okay. First of all, go to the service. The service name is Boli. First of all, you go to the search bar and type Boli and go to the Amazon Boli. Next, a Boli interface should be in visibility. Now you click the engines. You have two engines in the Boli services. First of all, neural and standard. Neural is nothing but it produces the most natural and human-like speak possible. It likes a human speech possible. A standard is a produce only natural sounding speech only. So we are recommended neural form. Okay, and if you what kind of language you are a text file. Now I click English Indian. Then if you want what kind of voice you want, I give Kajal female voice. Now I type in hello subscribers. Okay, then I click listen.
Hello subscriber.
Yeah, your voice should be possible. If you don't like this voice, click the next and adjust it.
Hello subscriber.
Yeah, your voice should be in possibility. Then if you want to fully clear, just click clear text. If you want to restore click restore the default text. Are you okay? Are you seeing the default text is that? If you want to save the S3, save the text audio format should be in the S3. Just click save to S3. First of all, our S3 bucket name is what? Few minutes wait, guys. Go to the S3 services. Yeah, I already created a Prabhu's 2001. Okay, then I use the Prabhu's 2001. It is optional. Then save to S3. The your processing should be asking the process. Few minutes wait, guys. Yeah, our audio format should be in con- yeah, your audio format. Your RV format should be installed, downloaded. Yeah, we are seeing A9FFF122. That same name in this here. If you want to download in the local, just click the select button and download it. Yeah, the format should be downloaded. Click it. Yeah, okay. That's all, guys. This is the body. If you want to interested more topics, just comment it. I try my best. Okay. If you want to grammatical, you go to lexicon and upload the lexicon files. Like you have speech pronunciation rules. If I speech in the wrong method in the A should be in speech wrong. If you want to pronunciation should be in differ from that bot voice. So you upload a lexicon file. Okay, I don't have any lexicon file, so I if oh, wait guys, lexicon. This is the lexicon file, guys. If you want to just dot lex is used to speaking should be in a variable. Just lexicon is that. Then S3 syntax. It is a nothing but you downloaded should be in visible in the your voice should be downloaded in the S3 bucket. That should be only visible in that S3 synthesis task. That's all, guys. This is the Amazon body. Next we are learn about next video we are learn about uh, Amazon Lex. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Subscribe, guys.